how to delete your TikTok video. Welcome to another TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account video. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, select the video that you want to delete. I want to delete this video here. And in order to delete it, you want to press 3 dots. If you go ahead and click those, it will give you this page here. And on the third row, if you scroll all the way to the right, you will see that delete option. Go ahead and press, then press confirm, and the video has been deleted. So now if I go back to my profile, that video will be permanently deleted. So that's all you have to do in order to delete a video on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.